Arvind Kejriwal will be out on bail from Tihar jail today, and his wife Sunita Kejriwal will be reaching Tihar at 4 p.m. this evening. Kejriwal's wife will visit Rajghat before making her way to Tihar jail. Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal, who remember has been granted bail by Delhi court in the liquor scam, will now walk out today. It's expected that this evening, after all formalities are completed, he will be out. Sunita Kejriwal will be there to greet her husband, to greet Arvind Kejriwal when he leaves Tihar jail. She's going to be headed to Tihar at 4 p.m. this evening, first going to Rajghat, much like what Arvind Kejriwal did when he had to return back to jail after his bail came to an end. Amit Bharadwaj is joining us with more details on this. Amit, Sunita Kejriwal, Kejriwal's wife, expected to head to Tihar this evening. What time are we expecting Arvind Kejriwal to walk out today?
Because the bail has been granted by the Rawalpindi court. Now, the detailed order will be out in some time from now, and it will also have the grounds on which the bail has been granted to Arvind Kejriwal, along with that the restrictions
granted to Arvind Kejriwal, along with that the restrictions of the bail conditions, so to say. And after that, what we'll see is that Aam Aadmi Party, or rather Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers, are submitting that 1 lakh rupees bond in the Rawalpindi court. But what will also happen simultaneously is that ED will prepare its response or a plea which they will file in front of the Delhi High Court, seeking stay on this particular bail order of the Rawalpindi court, because remember, this is regular bail that has been granted by the Rawalpindi court. It's not an interim bail, it's not a special bail that has been granted. Regular bail also means that more legal hurdles for the ED in the future course as the case proceeds further, and that is why they are going to challenge it in front of the Delhi High Court. So we'll have to also wait and watch as to what is the response of the Delhi High Court, whether they admit the case. If they admit, whether they put stay on the bail order, or whether they say that fix another date to listen to the arguments of the both sides. So these are conditions step by step which needs to be followed up. But in the meantime, the Aam Aadmi Party is definitely preparing for the return of the party chief. Sunita Kejriwal, along with Atishi, will be going to Rajghat around 11 a.m. Today. And after that, around 4 p.m., we are given to understand that Sunita Kejriwal could head to Tihar jail, expecting that Arvind Kejriwal could step out of Tihar jail today itself. And if the Delhi High Court does not put a stay on the bail, it means that Aam Aadmi Party chief and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will be stepping out of Tihar, and you would see a similar kind of response to his stepping out of jail. The followers, party sympathizers, MLAs, councillors waiting for him outside Tihar.
So there's one legal hurdle that has to be crossed. We'll see if that happens or not. Amit, thanks very much for joining us with those details. But big relief that's come in for Arvind Kejriwal from Delhi's Rouse Avenue court late last night. He's all set to walk free today after he was granted bail, and this is regular bail in the Liquorgate scam, not an interim. So it's a huge deal for Arvind Kejriwal. He will be stepping out of Tihar jail as soon as the bail order reaches jail authorities. Aam Aadmi Party netas have hailed the court's decision, saying this is a victory of truth. AAP leaders have also lashed out at the BJP, accusing them of falsely framing Arvind Kejriwal. Now, what we're hearing is that Kejriwal's wife, if we just told you, is set to meet him at 4 p.m. So in all likelihood, about 5 is when Kejriwal will actually step out of Tihar.